With information on the COVID-19 vaccine being shared from so many sources, it's easy for misinformation to make its way into everyday conversations. Well, today, Minister for Health and Wellness, the Honorable Sabrina Turner, encourages Cayman Islands residents to get vaccinated after getting the facts and being accurately informed.
I'm here as a mother. I'm here as a wife. I am here as a niece, an aunt, but most of all, Caymanian. And at the end of the day, just how you're subjected to misinformation, people can subscribe to media sources and social media sites that is honestly can be backed up and supported. And I will implore those persons for you to just use good judgment. Look at what's happening around the world. At the end of the day, do not make ego overshadow basic common sense. COVID is something, in all honesty, that we all are actually getting adjusted to. Data is critical. And like so many others, along with my colleagues and the rest of the government, we did the right thing in making sure that we at least had some form of protection. When you look at the daily increases now in positives with the various variants, no scientists really saw this coming. But yet, we're dealing with it, guided by the science, but understanding we are respectful as well for those who are against vaccination. We're not radical. We're not dictators. Our primary concern as your government and me sitting in this noble position as Minister of Health and Wellness is to make sure that whatever credible information I get, guided by those who are put in positions to guide me and science, is to make sure my people of the Cayman Islands are safe and is protected as much as possible. We have to respect the rights of people. I don't feel at any point in time ever was it pushed from this ministry, myself or my government, that anything would be mandatory. However, we should be fully aware and alert that based on what we're seeing, if you choose not to for whatever reason, your risk of contracting this with long-term side effects and possible long life-lasting damages could be much more severe than somebody who has some form of armor of protection. So for those persons who are out there for whatever reason that is going contrary to what we're trying to do to make our loved ones be protected with some form of protection by getting vaccinated, it's totally up to their choice. But I'm hoping that majority will prevail, and at some point in time, they will see the importance of having the vaccine and making sure that they're vaccinated so that you're not faced full-blown with having no form of coverage whatsoever.
For location, dates, and times for you to get your COVID vaccine, you can go online to hsa.ky.